Most people never think about their kidneys until something goes wrong, and by then they have usually been struggling quietly for years for educational and informational purposes only. Always speak with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Now, let us talk about something your body may already be trying to tell you. Welcome back to Voices of Legacy, the channel for adults 50 and over who refuse to accept that getting older means getting slower, sicker, or smaller. If you are new here, hit subscribe. We publish something meaningful for you every single week. Here is what most people do not know about their kidneys. You were born with more kidney function than you actually need. That is deliberate. It is your body's safety margin. But after 60, kidney function naturally begins to decline. Scientists estimate that the average person loses approximately 1% of kidney filtering capacity every year after 40. By 60, that adds up. And the problem is that kidneys are remarkably quiet about their struggles. You can lose 30, 40, even 50% of kidney function before you feel a single symptom. That silence is not reassurance. It is a warning in itself. Warning sign number 1. Persistent lower back or side pain that is not quite like muscle pain. Most people dismiss this as posture, age, or a bad mattress, and often it is. But the kidneys sit in your lower back on either side of your spine. A dull, persistent ache in that region, particularly if it is one-sided, deserves attention. It is not always kidney-related, but after 60, it should never be automatically dismissed. Warning sign number 2. Swelling in the ankles, feet, or hands that appears without obvious reason. When kidneys begin to struggle, they retain sodium, and sodium retains fluid. That fluid accumulates in the lowest points of the body first. Mild ankle swelling can have many causes, but if it is happening regularly and you cannot explain it with long periods of standing or heat, your kidneys deserve to be part of that conversation with your doctor. Warning sign number 3. Waking at night to urinate more than once or twice. Nocturia, the medical term for excessive nighttime urination, is one of the earliest and most commonly ignored signals of reduced kidney function in adults over 60. Healthy kidneys concentrate urine efficiently during sleep, allowing you to rest undisturbed. Kidneys that are beginning to struggle lose that concentrating ability. The result is frequent nighttime trips that most seniors simply accept as a normal part of aging. It is common, it is not normal, and it is worth discussing with your doctor. Warning sign number 4. Puffiness around the eyes, particularly in the morning. The kidneys filter protein. When they begin to leak protein into the urine, a condition called proteinuria, the loss of protein in the bloodstream causes fluid to shift into surrounding tissues. The delicate skin around the eyes is often the first place this becomes visible. If you are regularly waking with unexplained puffiness that clears through the day, it is worth mentioning to your doctor. A simple urine test can check for protein levels. Simple, quick, potentially very important. Warning sign number 5. A persistent loss of appetite, mild nausea, or a metallic taste in the mouth. Look closely at meals you once enjoyed. If you find yourself pushing food away, taking only a few bites, or feeling mildly queasy at the table, do not ignore it, especially after 60. When kidney function declines, waste products that should be filtered begin to build up. That buildup can change how food tastes, often metallic or simply wrong. Many people blame their stomach, their medication, or just getting older. But if loss of appetite or nausea joins other signs we have discussed, speak with your doctor. Do not self-diagnose, get your kidneys checked. Warning sign number 6. Changes in urine color or consistency. Foamy urine like soda bubbles can mean protein leaking through the kidneys. Dark brown or tea-colored urine can indicate blood. Some foods and drinks like beets, blackberries, or B vitamins can tint urine, but persistent darkening needs attention. Healthy urine is usually pale straw yellow. If color or foam persist, speak with your doctor. Your urine is a daily window into kidney health. Pay attention. So what actually protects kidney function after 60? The evidence is consistent and not complicated. First, stay hydrated, not overhydrated. 6 to 8 glasses of water daily suits most adults. Excessive water does not help kidneys and can strain them. Second, reduce sodium. The strongest dietary protection for kidneys is lowering salt because sodium makes kidneys work harder every meal. Limit processed foods, cured meats, and packaged sauces. Third, manage blood pressure. High blood pressure is the second leading cause of kidney disease worldwide. It damages silently for years. If you take blood pressure medication, take it consistently. Finally, get your kidney function tested. Ask for an eGFR estimated glomerular filtration rate. It tells your doctor how well your kidneys filter. If you have not had one recently, request it at your next visit. It takes seconds and could be your most important number this year, which is exactly why I created the Golden Legacy Audit, a completely free 60-second quiz that looks at where your health and family history stand right now and gives you your single most important next step. The link is right below this video. Take it today. It takes less than a minute, and what it reveals may surprise you. Your kidneys have been working for you every single hour of every single day since before you were born. They have never taken a day off. They deserve your attention. Now, before the silence becomes impossible to ignore, start with one conversation with your doctor. Ask for the eGFR test. Know your number. Knowledge is not anxiety, it is power. If today's video gave you something useful, please give it a like. It takes 1 second and it helps more seniors over 60 find this content when they need it most. Subscribe to Voices of Legacy for a new video every single week on senior health, longevity, and living your later years with genuine purpose and meaning. Next week, something completely different. We have been talking about health for several weeks now. Next week, we talk about legacy, specifically what happens to the stories, the wisdom, and the voices of the people we love most when they are no longer here to share them. And what you can do right now today to make sure that never happens in your family. Do not miss that one. Until then, remember this. Your story is not finished, and the world is still waiting to hear it.